Hey everybody, it's Dean DeCosta, the Search the Third, and today we're talking about a new tool called IRBIS, ARBIS .ESPYSYS.com. Now, free and paid, you get both. Now, I'm going to use a lot of my free credits to show you guys how to use this thing. So, you've got 360 phone lookup, email searching, then you have lookup by social, then you have face search. So you can do all these. You can see the prices, E1, whatever. I actually currently have 3 credits. In 3 days, I'll get the 3 again. I'm on the free site, the free version. There is paid, so you can get more credits than this, but I'm not going to do that. So let's see, what would be the cheapest? It looks to me like the lookup by social media appears to be the search seems to be the cheapest, but I don't mind looking up any of these. So we're going to do I think what we'll do here is the email search, because like I said, I don't really much mind using the credits because I'll get more. And if I really like and everything, so I'm not too super concerned. Hotmail.com, and because it's just here. So we'll search. We'll use one of my credits. We'll search. The results are down here. Now it's doing my results. Combined email applications. Boom, boom. In progress. So far, it's already connected to a couple of things. And in a minute, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, it will give me my results and tell me what's going on with that email. Specifically, if there's any issues with it, any problems with it, and if it's been hijacked, anything like that. So that's it. So I'm not going to, and it's done, and it's finished. And if we want to look at the results, we can look at the results. Let's go ahead and do this one. And there it is. That is not me, but that was, that was somebody who has a very similar email to me, because he pops up all the time with me and everything. And now it's trying to get me to re-sign back in. So I'll just sign back in again. That's fine. It doesn't bother me much. So there we go. And that's not me, but similar. I know who that is, actually. Him and I get nailed on at the same old time. And that's, again, not me. He isn't actually using my email. It's really interesting, but for some odd reason, he pops up with me. I haven't figured out why yet. He's actually using *43431. So the typo there. Didn't work the way we wanted. So let's look at somebody else. Let's see here. Over here, we have all these social things. We have this one here for face search, which I'm not in the mood to do, although that would be an interesting one. And then here you got the one for phone lookup. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll look up this one just to do it. No, that didn't work out right. So 1-206-214-5337. That's that is my cell phone number. Let's look up this one now. And we're going to let it search, and it's searching all these things, and let's see what it gets. The email one, it found someone using an email very similar to mine, not exactly mine, but close. He comes up every time I do a search, so it's really quite interesting. The other thing is, I've learned with Hotmails, I can have a Hotmail email in the United States, and then someone can have the same exact one, but from another country. And that's something I've learned recently when I did some investigative work on a bunch of people, and come to find out there's multiple people using the same email, but because one's from one country, one's from another, it seems to be okay. Now, you can't do that with Outlook.com, but you could with Hotmail. So that's the other part of the equation. But his is actually *43431 at hotmail.com, not *43433 like mine. I don't know why, So there you go. So this is going to take a little while. I'm not really going to wait on it because I've had you guys on here a while, and I really hate these things being overtly long. We're already at almost 4 minutes. But it searches a lot of places for this phone number, and I can already tell you, having done this once before, that it works really, really well. Now, here's a little secret. I signed up with my Gmail. There was a way to sign up with my Facebook. I have multiple Gmails. The reality is you're going to get 3 credits free for every time you sign up. And it's every so often you get them back. So I'm like, you know what? I could sign up a gazillion times and get plenty of credits and not ever have to pay for it. I'm not saying you should do that, just saying you could. So let's push that one. And there we go. That's me. That's me. And that is definitely me. And look at all these places it was found. Look at all these names. Look at everything. Look at my Facebook post. Look at it. Skype, where I'm located. This is some great info. My Skype, my Droop, look at all this down here. Look at all this stuff. Really, really, really cool. So, hey, it works. The phone works really good. The email, I can tell you for a fact the social media looks really well. The picture works decent. So there you go. New tool. IRBIS, IRBIS. So it's IRBIS.ESPYSYS.com. And there you go. My name is Dean DeCosta, the Search 30. May the source be with you.